Struggling to move? Need professionals? Arount About Removers, based in Centurion, Gauteng, can come to your rescue. Our friendly staff is just a phone call away to assist and guide you every step of the way. We offer free in-transit insurance with every home and office furniture removal. We do short as well as long distance moves across South Africa. We understand that moving can be stressful, so our team is equipped to help you make your moves smooth and efficient. Our trucks are fully equipped with blankets, ropes and trolleys. Our experienced teams can wrap, pack, box and move your treasured possessions to your new location safely. Our dedicated staff will ensure the safe arrival of your furniture. Big items can be disassembled and reassembled if need be. Our moves are timely, effective and safe.
With years of experience and thousands of moves, you can be confident that Arount About Removals is the team to trust.
Let's get moving!